What's up, fam? As you know, I went to the doctor not so long ago, and the doctor said that my BMI was really high, and he had the audacity to tell me that I was obese. So I kind of, I'm taking charge of that and taking charge of myself and what I'm going to do with my, with my body and this. I decided to start eating healthy. So one thing I've changed in my diet is no more Doritos, no more curly cheese puffs, whatever. Now I'm eating things like this. It's called Veggie Crisp. It's made out of vegetables. And it can be 3 different colors like green, yellow, and tan, and all that stuff. And it's made out of vegetables. So no more Doritos. From now on, when I snack, I will snack on Veggie Crisp. Really good. And it's going to be good. I'm sort of eating these things now because these are the things that's going to make me healthy and make my BMI down. So, there you go. It's proof. It's proof that I changed my diet and hope